Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Got a nice mould here. Got this from Temu, and it's what do you call them? Pine cones. It's a pine cone, of course it is. It's got a little door there and a little porch. I just thought it was absolutely adorable. Now I'm going to be doing it in both aquacast and resin, then we can see what the difference is. But I think that's gorgeous. Don't know if you can see. It's beautiful. I don't know whether to colour the aquacast or paint something on the mould. Oh, it's very intricate, isn't it? Perhaps I'll paint it afterwards and we'll paint it on the mould for the epoxy. I'm going to make it brown, the aquacast. I'll just go and get some mixed up. Right, I've got 105 grams of water there and to 300 grams of the powder. I want it brown, so I'm using resin creep pigment today, and I'm going to use the red and the green. I want quite a lot. I want a nice warm brown, so quite a lot of the red. Let's see how that fares. Give that a mix up. That looks like a brown to me. That is a bit too warm for my liking, so a bit more green. Right, there we go, brown. It will dry lighter than that. I could do with it darker really, but that's absolutely fine. And we're going to pour it in. I'm just hoping that this is enough. Oh yeah, I think we're fine. Right, before I fill it up, let's squidge these. Can get underneath. Now it is going on the vibration plate, but I am expecting holes because there's such a lot of detail in that mould. Wow, that was the right amount, wasn't it? Give it a good tap. Look at all them bubbles coming up. It's a bit misshapen, like most moulds that come from Temu, but I'm hoping with the weight of all this in it, it might just sort it out. Right, we will be back when it's cured. Well, it's cured now, but it is not the colour I wanted, which is fine because I will be painting it anyway. So let's get it out and take a look. I can already see lots of bubbles, even with the vibration plate, if you do get this mould. I think because it's so intricate, it's just not ever going to be bubble free. Yeah, there are some bubbles. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. Still a bit warped, as you can see. I'm going to be putting a candle in it. That's very, very cute. Little chimney. I'm going to let this dry for a good 24 hours and we'll start on the epoxy one. Right, well I was going to paint it all with this bronze. It's beautiful metallic bronze. It comes out a really rich brown. I think I'll put it into the resin. I've got the chrome powders from Let's Resin and I'm going to paint the door and I think the trees, and that is about it, and just the rest bronze. So we'll get a little brush. Right, I've mixed up 300 mils. I'm just going to pop the, in fact, might use it all. Yeah, there's not a great lot left. We'll give that a good mix. Right, and all we're going to do is just pour and hope that they're all right. Actually, before I do, I'm going to spritz as much as I can. And we'll leave that to cure. Okay, all ready now. Now I've just realised as I was loosening it that it's a matte mould. Really not a problem. Let's see if we can get it out. It's quite thick silicone, this. Oh, that's cute. The red's not come out very well. It wasn't sticking properly, I knew. Must be that shape. It must be, because they both come out like that. That is cute. We will do something about the door. The trees are perfect. Bit of green come off there, but that's fine. It can be grass. That's lovely. Now I'll show you the other one because I've painted it with burnt umber. I've also got raw umber and I'm going to do some detailing and paint that. So I will speed you up for the painting process. I've finished painting them now. I'll show you the Aquacast one first. All I've done is I've gone into the grooves with the darker, the raw umber, and I've dabbed over some white. I've left this, oh no, this was titanium buff, and I've used a Posca pen to do the white around the snow. I don't like the door. It's not very red. I can't seem to find a red, but I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Now, because I've painted inside, I'm not going to be putting a candle in this one, but I do think they'll be beautiful with candles in. It's a nice tall thin one, isn't it? I'll show you the resin. The resin came out lovely because it's matte. Posca pens, white on all the tips. There, I'm not putting white. I was thinking about it, but I'm not putting white around there for snow. Just the snow on the house. The trees came out wonderful. The door's not very red, but you can tell the difference, can't you? Anyway, I'm really pleased with them. Really pleased with them. Don't know what I'm going to put in them, but I'm going to go over that one with Hydrofloor sealer all over. So it's all that paint, acrylic paint, is sealed in. And I'll put something on the bottoms, foam usually. What do you think? I think they're absolutely adorable. I really do. I like them very much. I'm going to post some photos, have a look at the photos, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, more than you know. And I will see you next time. Bye.